Students, in last video we had discussed about the function and formula in MS Excel. In this video we are going to discuss about cell referencing. Accessing the value of a cell by its address in any formula or function is called cell referencing. It identifies the location of a cell in the worksheet. There are three types of cell referencing are used in MS Excel. The first one is relative cell referencing. Relative cell referencing is by default. If you move or copy a formula to another cell, the cell's addresses in the formula will change accordingly, as shown here. Sum function is used in cell A6 to get the sum of range A1 to A5. So formula is equal to sum in bracket A1 colon A5. Then it is copied to cell B6. The cell reference are changed to B1 colon B6 automatically. And the second one, absolute cell referencing. In absolute cell reference, if formula is moved or copied to another cell, the cell addresses in the formula will not change. This is done by preceding a dollar sign in front of column letter as well as the row number, as shown here. Formula in cell C2 is equal to B2 into $A$2. It means here the second value. It means ki cell address A2 is fixed here. And after copying the formula in cell C3, it is equal to B3 into A2. It means the value of B3 is changed, but the value of discount that is present in the cell A2 is fixed. So in the absolute cell referencing, cell address will not change. The third one is mixed cell referencing. Mixed cell reference consists of both relative and absolute cell reference. Excel adjusts the relative part of reference while the absolute part is not adjusted. In mixed cell reference, only the row or only the column remains fixed in a formula. To make fixed reference, add a dollar sign in front of only the column name or the row number as shown here. Here we use in the column B3 here equal to $A3. It means here the column A is fixed but row is not fixed into B$2. It means here the row number 2 is fixed but column is not fixed. So if you copy the formula, it will change accordingly. So these are three types of cell referencing. Now let's discuss about the exercise, back exercise of your book. First one, MCQ. A task is an equation that perform a calculation. The option is first function, formula, range, none of these, and the answer is formula. The second one, $B7 and $B$7 are example of which of the following references type. The option is relative, absolute, mixed, none of these, and answer is mixed. Third one, a set of adjacent cells is called a data set, referencing, formula, range, and answer is range. The next one, function perform calculation by accepting formulas, names, arguments, none of these, and answer is arguments. Next one, in the function average in bracket my marks. My marks is a what? Cell range name, cell address, formula. Answer is cell range name. Now next one, fill the blank. More than one condition can be combined by using dash operators. It's a logical operator. To compare two values in Excel, dash operators are used. It's a relational. Dash operator check reverse of given condition. Answer is not. Dash function used to display current system date, and the answer is today. Dash option pastes the value instead of the copied formula. Paste value. And the next one is true false. In absolute referencing, only row reference is fixed. It's a wrong. Comparison operators either return true or false. It's a true. Has name is an example of error in Excel. Yes, it's an error in Excel. If function is used to evaluate more than one condition, yes. In sum A1, A2, A1 and A2 are arguments. Yes. So these are your back exercise. So that's all for today. Thank you.